Dyson is known for innovation and performance, and today, we're reviewing the best Dyson vacuums to keep your home spotless. Whether you need cordless stick vacuums, powerful upright models, or pet-friendly options, we've got you covered. Let's see which Dyson vacuum suits your needs best. As always, all product links are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you thought vacuuming was just about picking up dirt, think again. The Dyson Gen 5 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is not just a cleaning tool, it's a high-tech powerhouse designed to give you a real-time look at the dust and debris in your home. With 115% more power, up to 70 minutes of runtime, advanced HEPA filtration, and intelligent cleaning technology, this vacuum sets a new standard for home cleaning. Unmatched suction power and smart adaptation. As Dyson's most powerful HEPA cordless vacuum, the Gen 5 Detect delivers deep cleaning across all floor types. But what truly sets it apart is its intelligent power adaptation. It automatically adjusts suction based on debris levels and floor type, ensuring optimal performance without wasting battery life. The LCD screen provides real-time updates showing how much dust has been removed and when it's time to move on. Number 4. Dyson V10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a powerful, lightweight, and versatile vacuum, the Dyson V10 Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier choice. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, whole machine filtration, and Dyson's advanced cyclone technology, this sleek cordless vacuum is engineered to handle everything from deep carpets to delicate hardwood floors. Powerful performance, anytime, anywhere. The Dyson V10 is powered by 14 concentric cyclones, ensuring fade-free suction throughout your cleaning session. Whether you're tackling fine dust or embedded dirt, the torque drive cleaner head provides up to 20 minutes of deep cleaning power, driving stiff nylon bristles into carpets for a thorough clean. For hard floors, the soft roller cleaner head picks up both large debris and fine dust with ease, offering up to 40 minutes of fade-free power. Cordless convenience with extended battery life. Unlike traditional vacuums, the Dyson V10 is completely cordless, meaning no more tangled wires or searching for outlets. Number 3. Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If you need a versatile and powerful upright vacuum that delivers top-tier performance across different floor types, the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 is a strong contender. Designed for hardwood, tile, and carpets, this vacuum combines Dyson's signature suction power, advanced filtration, and innovative ball technology for effortless maneuverability. Unrivaled cleaning performance. The self-adjusting cleaner head automatically adapts to different surfaces, sealing in suction for optimal dirt removal, whether you're cleaning plush carpets or delicate hardwood floors. Radial root cyclone technology ensures no dust or debris is left behind, capturing microscopic particles that many vacuums miss. It's even scientifically proven to capture allergens and bacteria, making it a solid choice for allergy sufferers. Number 2. Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. If you're looking for a lightweight yet powerful cordless vacuum, the Dyson V8 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice. Designed for quick, hassle-free cleaning, this vacuum delivers strong Dyson suction, up to 40 minutes of runtime, and a detangling motor bar cleaner head that effortlessly handles pet hair. Whether you need a full home clean or a quick touch-up, the V8 gets the job done with ease. Powerful cleaning in a lightweight design. Weighing just 5.6 pounds, the Dyson V8 is easy to carry, maneuver, and store. But don't let its compact size fool you. It packs serious power. The motor bar cleaner head automatically removes long hair and pet hair from the brush bar while delivering a deep clean across all floor types from carpets to hardwood. Number 1. Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum Cleaner. If you've ever battled endless pet hair and stubborn dirt, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 Extra Upright Vacuum Cleaner might just be your new best friend. Engineered for homes with pets, this powerhouse vacuum delivers an exceptional clean with cutting-edge detangling technology and specialized pet tools designed to tackle even the toughest messes. Unmatched cleaning power. Dyson claims this vacuum offers the best cleaning performance of any upright detangling vacuum, and it doesn't disappoint. The motor bar cleaner head automatically removes wrapped hair from the brush bar as you clean. No more stopping to cut tangled strands. Paired with whole machine filtration, it traps dust, allergens, and pet dander, leaving your home fresher with every pass. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.